A little bit of Bondo glass, a little bit up in here, and then right here. This is going to be interesting. See how this turned out, because this is kind of one of my concerns. Okay, that all set up real nice, but now I got this kind of a neat shape to this. It's not just blocked off. You can tell it kind of shoots up with the body a little bit. It might be kind of neat by the time I get some trim. We'll see how it goes. But for now, let's clean it up. Here we go. Got it sanded out. Getting ready to skim coat this. I do got a few places like right here that I really need to address. One little spot right there. Get all up in here real good still. Other than that, this thing's ready for a skim coat. Judging by the looks of things, I may just have to focus on this spot once more, but it's almost there. So let's mix this up. All right here, these little problem areas, like this little hole, I got a couple right in here. See if I can address some of this. I've got one spot here. I want to try to take care of this whole top section. I've got a few pinholes right here. That's another spot. Other than that, it's looking pretty good. Get this thing blowed off, get it wiped down, and ready for some small patchwork. Then I'm going to try to get it in full primer, throw me a guide coat on it, start blocking it out, see what she looks like. Hey, there we go. Okay, got it going on right here with one last skim coat. I didn't do a full all over skim coat just because I'm still yet to find out where my high and low spots are. I think I do have a few here and there, but we'll just have to see what it looks like with some color on it. All these splotches and stuff kind of make it hard to see. So I'm going to throw a little bit of primer on it. After the primer cures up, I will know what kind of high-low spots I'm going to have. I even hit a little problem area that I had up here, was just a slight something other. Again, the car's full of little dingy dents here and there, so I will be addressing that as I go. But you know, I'm liking this a lot. This is exactly why we come to this step, so that we can see everything that was hiding from us. I see some pinholes here. Few pinholes here, little places like even right here. Apparently I missed that when I was sanding. One spot right up in there, little stuff like that. It's hiding from you till you get it all one solid color. And even after this dries, I mean, it being kind of wet, it's still got a little sheen to it, but it being primer, as soon as it dries, it's gonna be flat, so there's gonna be stuff that's gonna disappear. That's what the guide coat's for. However, at this point, I'm able to take a look at it and go, okay, so that's kind of what I'm working with. Even to take a look and say, You know, that's the future state of this car right here. There's no turning back now. I like it. Hey, what's up YouTube? Hey, I tell you what, do me a favor, if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you're liking what you're seeing, because I do plan on posting a whole lot more of this. I'm going to keep trying to do my best to post once a week. Hit that bell notification if you haven't done that yet so you know exactly when I'm posting. I really hope this inspires everybody. So if it does, just keep customizing, keep doing your thing, and keep tuning into this channel so you can get more ideas just like this one.